Hello friends, today I would like to cook okra omelet. We cut the head off and then cut the okra into pieces, circular pieces. We got to make sure they're all the same size so that when we cook them, they get cooked at the same time. As you can see, I've already done enough cuts and ready to make the omelette. We also need 4 eggs that I've cracked, and we add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon or maybe even less of turmeric, and some black pepper. Now we are going to mix the egg mixture with a handheld electric mixture. And now we are ready to go cook. So we put a frying pan on the stove and spray some vegetable cooking oil in it, and then put the okras in the pan and spread them the way that they all get heated at the same time. Okra is one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat, and from what I've read, you should have it at least once a month, and don't take my word for it, go search yourself. Now we don't want to burn them too much, just enough to get golden on either side. Don't want them to go brown. Now we put the okras in a plate and spray some oil on the frying pan and pour the egg on the frying pan. And wait for it to get solid in the bottom. If you want to cook it for yourself, you can just throw all the okras in it, but if you want to present it to guests or you want it to look nice, then you have to do what I'm doing and just place them where there is room. This way they get kind of a nice look. Now I've placed enough there, and now we add some dried dill weed. Just a sprinkle some. You don't need too much, just enough to give it a good taste and a nice aroma. Now we wait for the egg to pop up. We just make sure pushing it down from sides to make sure it's moving about, and we shake the frying pan a little bit, and then put the omelette in the serving plate. Now we can garnish it with whatever you like. I'm gonna put some pickled cucumber with some radishes, just to give it a little bit of color. Okay, our omelette is ready and ready to